So anyway, guys, this is Samara Peace and Fusela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you guys. Umangwabe, she's a proud mother. She's a great mother. Beside drama yakhe no musamseleko ngiyahamba ngisabuya. This is the last time ningbona kwamseleko. You know Umangwabe guys. Every season yena uyahamba. So yesterday Umangwabe, she was celebrating Wande guys, is second born yakhe guys. She received a virginity certificate. You know that in the Zulu culture they do ukuhlola guys. So if you find out that you're still a virgin, you do get a certificate. So on another news guys, I was not ready for this, but it seems like we're going to get Utanones Temple season 9. So last week excitement Samke, wife number 5 yaka Musamsaleko, announced the news on Instagram, sharing a picture of herself holding a baby. Delete the picture. It is alleged Ugote they are reserved for Utanones Temple season 9. So guys, yes, we're going to get Utanones Temple season 9. Finally, we're gonna see what is happening. I'm very interested in the relationship Yaga Makele and Samke Umakumalo Umangwa. What is going on? Because right now Uma Wande, she's doing the virginity testing alone. Do you still remember it was Makumalo who went with Mawande, Tandu, and Owami Shuguti Bayuhlola guys. Right now Umangobe, she's doing it alone. We wanna find out what is going on. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.